Hi guys, it's Carmen with DiMaria Duo, and this is a paddleboard complete system setup for beginners of all levels and of all ages in a box. I want to give a big shout out to our friends that sent this product out for us to test out today. So we're going to get into this box, we're going to put this paddleboard together, we're going to test it out. So let's get into it. Alright, right off the bat, we open it up and we have a paddleboard bag. So in here we have straps in the back, so that way we can put all the contents of this box, hopefully just the paddleboard and maybe some other things in this bag, and we can carry it around or we can store it. So we got a nice storage bag here. Then we get into the pump. So we have the rapid double pump for blowing up the paddleboard. We have a waterproof safe that you can use to strap on the board. This looks like for deflating or inflating. Then we're going to keep going. We have a waterproof pouch for your cell phone, so that way you can take some awesome pictures while you're out in the bay or the lake or the ocean or wherever you're paddleboarding. Of course, we have the fins. This is great. This, let me open up so you can see what this is. This is a 10-liter dry bag. So any of your clothes or products that you have, you can put in this that you need to keep safe, so that way if you have to take your stuff with you, you can take your stuff with you on the paddleboard, and if it falls in, you'll be safe because this is a dry bag that's completely waterproof. And with that comes a lanyard, so that way you can attach to your bag. Of course, we have the paddle. Put the paddleboard together, that'll propel you through the water. We have the coiled retractable leash, user manual, which is always important. And here it is. Here's what we've been looking for. Here is the paddleboard itself. It has the two fins already on it. That third fin is going to be the one that goes in the middle here for stability. So let's pump this thing up and let's see what it looks like. And there you go. The paddleboard is fully inflated thanks to this wonderful pump that is provided. My tip to you is when you are pumping up the paddleboard, that you ensure that you go all the way up. This comes up really, really high. This is where you're gonna get most of your power to pump up this paddleboard. It didn't take me too long. I'd say less than 5 minutes. You should have this fully inflated to the recommended 15 PSI. A couple of things about the paddleboard itself I wanted to point out now that it's blown up is you can see there's this handle right here, and that handle is used to carry it. So if you are carrying the paddleboard by yourself, you can carry it one-handed. You stand on the far side and you reach over and carry it like a book under your arm. It has some straps up front, so that's where I talked about if you wanted to use this dry bag, if you have clothes or you have items that you want to store and you're not coming back to the same location, you can put all those items in that dry bag, and then you can secure them under this bungee cord. That will keep it safe. There's also a handle in the front, and then the same handle we're going to see in the rear. Now, you can use that for pulling if you get stuck, or if you have two people on the paddleboard, each person can grab an end and you can carry it. You have some tie down points here. There's one on either side, and then again there's some up here, so that way if you have other items that you want to tie, or maybe you're fishing, you can tie your bait to that or whatever you're using for it. Up front here, I want to point out this little mount. This is a mount for a GoPro or a camera holder. So it's really neat, so that way you can collect videos of your adventure while you're out paddleboarding, show all your cool friends. So I really have to say, I really love the fact that the grip area, this plastic part here, is huge, because you can hold two people on this, no problem. So therefore you have plenty of room to move on the paddleboard, and you have plenty of traction to move on the paddleboard, and your feet are going to be secure. So let's get this thing in the water and see how I do. Things I wanted to point out about the paddle is it is adjustable. So you can release the clamp and you can extend it or shrink it depending on your height and your need or your ability. So we have it inflated. I apologize, we're coming to the end of the pool season, so the pool is closing. I am a beginner, so bear with me. I'm hoping that I don't fall in here. And we're just gonna do a quick, oh boy, little demo. I like the fact that it has a huge area for you to stand on. It feels pretty stable. As I said, I've never done a whole lot of paddleboarding, so this is pretty new to me, but it feels comfortable. I feel stable. I feel like if you're a beginner and you're looking to get out there and try paddleboarding for the first time, this kit is an awesome kit to come with. It starts with everything you need, and then as you progress and you want to upgrade your stuff, you can upgrade. Or really, paddleboarding is paddleboarding. So if you're looking to get out and have a good time on a paddleboard, check this one out. Our friend sent over to us. I'm gonna love this thing. I'm gonna get some more practice on it, and next season I'm gonna be better. So check it out. I love it. I know you will too.